Give her a little turn there. Okay. So we've got my 80/20 scan up, and that's the Aroon 80 and the down 20, or Aroon over, up over bought, Aroon down over sold, depending on how you pipe it in to Think or Swim. It will give you many different results over many different scans, but this is a personal scan I use to find the runners, at least how I'm finding them now. So in this personal scan, I've got I can go in here and hit edit. I can show it to you. We're scanning all stocks for a percent change of -2, and we could go deeper than that. But do we really want a stock to swing less than that? And sizzle index of looks like 0.093 to 122. And then a custom Aroon scan 1 bar ago is greater than or equal to overbought. And, same for oversold. Alright, and it spits us out this list here, gives us A, gives us Apple, gives us American Eagle. Okay. Alright, and so we can see, which ones are, trending up. Looks like American Eagle could continue to go. It looks like, but really, maybe we want to find is the ones that have already shown their 52-week low. Say like this one, okay? That was a nice low. Price comes up, then price starts to drop. Okay. And Alamos Gold, so AGI. This was a nice short signal. For this one, we would want to see, a reversal. Not all of these are going to be the, best looking to trade. Okay. Alright. Alright, so here's a pullback. Here's a spike. We're on another pullback. Let's see if something like this happens. Yeah, we'll be okay. So that's AMD. Alright, so there's lots of these, let's see, ANGI. Okay, apps. It's like once apps broke away, it exploded. Jumped right up there. Okay. Lots of stocks on this scan, so it's like it's only showing 50, and I don't know how many it would spit out, but okay. Alright. Good moves. Let's see. Clean energy. Alright.
It's just a bit of a tradition at Christmas parties that I have with my friends. See, we do a cookie competition, and then the winner gets to take home all of the leftovers to their families on Christmas Day.
So cute. I basically did exactly the same thing with my friends once, but instead of cookies, it was whatever we could find in our parents' medicine cabinets.
Let's see here.
And instead of a Christmas party, it was
some dojis, some reversals.
So
but this is a scan I use to find, ones that are running. Trending stocks. Then we just look for, pullbacks.
They are very excited to meet you.
Yeah, really, we want to find them just as they're crossing above up. So, the up is crossing down. Then we want to look for the first pullback, and buy in there.
More final chance. I'm making this sound worse than it is. They're gonna love you.
Wow. What if something came up and I couldn't come?
Catalyst, something. Okay, see, this one's on a pullback, and it's probably ready to jump back up in price, or, down's going to take over, but let's see how likely that is to happen. Looks very likely.
I thought that you said that your family doesn't celebrate Christmas.
Okay, yeah, very, very likely to happen. Not good trading there.
You're not. I do.
Alright, let's see what else we have here on our list.
Scary, judgy friends, and the last thing I want to do is cause you any trouble. So, why don't you just double this cookie recipe?
See, 4 hour, bullish, bearish. Let's see what the bullish scan gives us here. Okay, so Aroon bullish. So I think this one is just going to be showing where up is greater than down. Let's see if that's all the scan is. Up crosses above, Aroon indicator down on, I'm going to guess the 25. Yeah. Okay, so cancel and cancel and cancel. So this gives us a nice accurate list. This is showing a squeeze right now, so once it breaks out of this squeeze, that could be nice. Okay. See this squeeze right down here? Squeeze. And then it pops out. Pop. And then it pulls back. Continues to go. Okay. We're doing a squeeze here. Nice consolidation. That's Hershey's. Okay. What does Hershey's normally trade at? HSY. Alright, let's go back here. Alright, and now we'll go back to our daily max.
Tell me this, sweetheart. Have I asked you for a lot this year?
Let's see. Hershey does tend to trend, though, it looks like. At least it did all the way up through the 90s. And did the opposite here. Okay. Looks like Hershey is typically good trading. So, alright. Wonderful trading here. Huh. Alright.
David, Stevie, that tree's not straight. Huh? No, it's pretty straight. Let's see what we got here. Lights.
Let's wait for our next bottom to happen, our next low. Say something like this, or, a pullback to here. Alright. So yeah, let's wait and watch. We'll see what's about to happen, but, I'm gonna guess Hershey's probably gonna increase in value. Okay.
It's bad.
Alright, what hidden signals do we have here? Okay. IDEX Corporation. Well, I'd like to see these two separate. I'd like to see this come up and that go down. Okay. Alright, we're having a nice squeeze sideways here. Squeeze. And let's hope, once this drops and that pops. Okay.
I'm gonna just go get that.
Alright, so this may be a good signal. This may be a good sign on a $4,000 stock. Wonderful. Of course it is. Alright, let's check it on the daily. Uh-oh, your brother's a cheap ass. Okay. So yeah, it looks like a wonderful goodbye signal.
It's hard to be in charge of the guest list if no one's given it to me yet.
Yeah. Keep watching though. That could very well, go the other way on you. This could keep going, and this could bounce and check up, and now you're in a short. So watch it. Okay, what's this? O'Reilly. Alright. O'Reilly hit a bottom here, pull back up. Alright. Consolidate, and squeeze. Alright, now let's watch O'Reilly, and if anything, I'd say they should be doing well. People gonna continue to buy stuff online, so I'm gonna say we probably saw our bottom here. Alright. And what's O'Reilly's? Oh goodness, about $500. Alright, so here was our bottom here on O'Reilly's. It looks like, of course, we should see about one more pullback, and I'm going to be looking for this on O'Reilly's to continue. So I'm going to say that that's probably going to give you a good buy-in. Let's check that on the day, or say the week. Yeah, we're still a buy. We're still a buy. On the daily max. See, on the daily max, though, we are way overextended. We found our bottom here. We found our top here. We're consolidating. But it looks like... Yeah, this is the next thing to happen. It just goes red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. So, I mean, yes, red is, technically next. And it looks like it could take over, so we may start seeing some of this happening. Some pulling back. Okay.
This was a really stupid idea, a little Christmas party.
Alright.
Something to temporarily take our minds off things, but clearly this
So
was too much for all
let's
of you.
look for ones where the Aroon indicator.
Start making an effort.
Um,
I'm gonna take a walk.
yeah, that's a great scan. Okay. We could do the Aroon indicator equals 100.
It's meatloaf.
Alright. And see, what else do we notice when it's equal to 100, or, whenever it hits 100, or let's just say it's greater than 90. Right here is 73, so right here is, right there is 83.2, so we could say greater than 80. That's what I went with before, it was 80, and it, plots them just fine. And price action is greater than, say this is probably a 20 or 21 moving average. So, and price greater than the moving average.
Underneath this blanket of snow, a mystery
We know to get in. So, I need to find, there's a TTM squeeze scan out there somewhere that I can use. Okay.
Visit DC area
Let's check out this one.
for attractive
Oh.
offers on the MDX.
Alright. PSA, public, is that what that says, storage?
The frigid terrain of an untouched winter. Underneath this blanket of snow, a mystery awaits to...
Alright, wonderful.
Don't miss it.
So,
Visit DC area
public storage has found a bottom, some consolidation, but let's look for it to continue to exceed the market. So I'm going to say PSA is going to continue to run on at least a 239. Yeah, that's possible height right now.
Overwhelming at first is now accomplished with greater confidence.
Okay, what do we got here? Okay, we're going to go through possible squeeze here on ZBH. What is ZBH? Zimmer Biomet Holdings. Okay, you see these are closing in on each other, so that got real tight real quick. Let's see what happened. It did. It got real tight real quick. All right.
And right now, because
let's hope these can separate.
0% financing, it's a
you
great
know,
time
this
to
might
buy or lease.
continue
Our
on.
transparent sales process, backed by our ISO
And if this can
9001
continue
certified
on,
service, makes
you know,
Fitzgerald
and-
a great place to buy a new Volkswagen.
Yeah,
a great time
ZBH,
to buy.
so
A great place to buy.
we're at 0
A great
though, so
way
it's
to
ready
win
for an up or a
Shop
down.
around. Visit our
But
website or call
it tends to go in
888
up,
FITZ-MALL for
down,
details.
up,
That's the
down.
Fitz way.
We're going to
Yeah,
find
it looks like down's the next
We're
motion.
going skating. We're going to Nana's.
Wherever you go this holiday, Chevy can help you get there.
Which is why
Okay.
we're making our Chevy employee discount available to everyone.
The Chevy price you pay is what we
Now let's
pay.
check our
Not a
watch
cent
list
more.
here.
So wherever you go,
Let's go to
happy
public.
holidays from Chevy.
Use the Chevy employee discount for everyone to get over $6,600 below MSRP on this Equinox. Get the Chevy employee discount for everyone today.
1, 2, 3,
Let's check our gap downs. Oh, biggie. Gap down.
Buy a 21 gas model Corolla now with 1,000 cash back, or a
Baba
2020
had a
Camry
gap
with 2,000
down.
cash back on gas models, or 3,000 on
Okay.
hybrids, or 0% APR financing. Toyota, let's go places.
When you have zero worries and zero stress, there are zero reasons
But
not
we
to
know
get to
Baba
Volkswagen.
will recover.
Call or come by today.
Yeah, we know Baba's gonna recover from it. Let's see if there's any other tickers I can. What's Baba F? Alibaba Group Holding. Okay, Baba F also took a dip, and that's a $27 stock. So looks like there's another stock for Baba you can get involved with if you don't have $22. Of course, Baba F might be, you know, say for shorting. Yeah, it might be a short stock. All right, what's Bison? Okay, this one just looks like it's hitting a low here. Gap downs. So we could be watching some of these for reversals. Okay. See, here was a nice buy signal here. Nice hidden buy. Okay. Let's see, F Muckin. Famuckin? That's clever. I don't think they should have named it that. Okay, let's see. Here's one that's in the green for a gap down. Okay, gap down and a buyback. So, looking at this, I would think short all the way. You know, this trend is way bigger than this trend. So, I'm going to think short. Yeah, this is going to continue to go down. IFF. You know, yeah, but it just doesn't look like it has. See, here's a little squeeze. You know, see some other gap downs. It's a big gap down. But this one's overall still going. SoftBank Group. Okay. So this one's running a good bit. TD Pay. Todd Spa ADR unsponsored. Interesting. TCOM. Okay, this one's at a nice bottom here. Yeah, let's watch this. Yeah. TCOM. Tripcom Group Ltd. Okay. Yeah, let's watch TCOM. So here's one of those squeezes. Squeezes up. Then it pops up. Big action, big action, big action. Then it starts to squeeze and consolidate again. Okay. But that is a scan you can use to find some good running stocks. Ping An Insurance Group. Okay. Yeah, we can look for when the close is above this volatility band also. Yeah, we could build a scan for that.